Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today, we will look at the FADSK portable washing machine, which boasts a 15L capacity, and the SRVVTO portable small washing machine, with a slightly smaller 13L capacity. Both machines are perfect for those living in apartments, dorms, or traveling, but they have distinct features that may influence your choice. Let's dive into the details. The FADSK portable washing machine offers a generous 15L capacity, making it ideal for larger loads, while the SRVVTO portable small washing machine provides a slightly smaller 13L capacity. This difference can be crucial for users who need to wash more items at once, especially when dealing with baby clothes or larger laundry loads. However, both machines are designed to fit comfortably in small spaces, so the choice may depend on your specific laundry needs. The FADSK model features 3 distinct cleaning modes, allowing users to choose between 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute cycles based on their laundry needs. In contrast, the SRVVTO model does not specify its cleaning modes, which may limit its versatility. This feature can be a deciding factor for those who require different washing intensities for various fabrics. When it comes to pricing, the FADSK portable washing machine is priced at $69, while the SRVVTO portable small washing machine is slightly more affordable at $59.99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. However, it's essential to consider the features each machine offers in relation to their cost. In conclusion, both the FADSK KJ and SRVVTO portable washing machines present excellent options for those needing compact laundry solutions. The FADSK KJ stands out with its larger capacity and multiple cleaning modes, while the SRVVTO offers a more budget-friendly alternative with a foldable design. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific laundry needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.